head out on the dock maybe. Just want to hide this stuff a little bit. Make sure it's safe. Yo, in case you guys haven't seen, actually, this is my riding bag right here. Got the little, that's just for bad drivers, don't mind that. Got the Squid Game guy on here, lit. And of course, a rosary. Yo, it's good, me too. Is that your, hold on, is that your, it's good, bro. I couldn't figure out if me too was your YouTube name. It's good, bro. How you guys doing? I'm gonna leave my riding stuff right there. Hopefully it's safe. Took my bike here, but kind of just want to walk on the dock. I don't know if I can. Not sure if I can walk on the dock, but I'm going to see. Maybe this one? All the other ones are gated off. Hopefully I don't drop my phone as well. How you guys doing? Ooh, that wouldn't be good. That would not be good at all. There's so much pollen. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's not snow, that's pollen. Yeah. How's it going? Yo, if you guys are in here, pop in chat. Get live, we get live. Young Macho. Yeah, I want to read what Macho said. Just want to make sure my stuff is all set. Oh, I lost a glove. There we go. You gone? What's good, bro? Just to let you guys know, I got a haircut on Thursday. I know it looks crazy, but I'm making a YouTube short, growing my hair for 2 months. Got the haircut Thursday, hyped for that. Got a little bit of a party Saturday, also hyped for that. Young Macho says, Adam Aaron and the board deserve prison. They all knew along what has been happening, including false locates with Ape and the tokens. Bro, Adam Aaron, it's so hard to pick a side, right? It's hard to pick a side. Oh, for the conversion, reverse split, against conversion, reverse split, for Adam Aaron, against Adam Aaron. It's so hard. One thing to note is that he does have control as of now. He kind of rubbed that in our face by kind of rigging the vote, so he does have control. I want to hope the guy is going to do what's right for the squeeze, at least. Hold up. I don't know, dude. I don't know. So he rigged the vote with well, actually, let's start back even further. Project Popcorn, right? Nightforge 13, what's good? How you doing? Start back even further. Project Popcorn was Citigroup. Ape was an early planned thing, and he did it, right? Without our consent. I don't want to say too much. I don't want to be wrong here, right? Because that's kind of what the court is trying to figure out. But then there's the video that we went over yesterday, right? As to why Ape being issued would be good for AMC. I don't know. My train of thought is all over the place, honestly. My train of thought is all over the place. Mr. Johnny London says, I think the board has shown us that they are on the greedy side of the fence with the payments they have received during a pandemic. They were about to jump the ship. Yeah, the board is on the greedy side of the fence with the payments they have received during the pandemic. Yeah, that's true, actually. Because of how bad the company was doing and the payments they were receiving during the pandemic, during the worst times of the company, showed, I guess you're kind of right, that they were about to, jump ship and go bankrupt, right? Let the company go bankrupt. And, someone's starting their boat over there. And now we are where we are, right? Retail saved them. They said, oh, shit, we might have a second chance here. Well, yo, Rhonda, what's up? Let me see. I gotta show this message. I'm trying to select show. Flarpy said Adam Aaron sucks. More crooked than a dog hind leg. I can't show it. I don't know. I'm selecting show. YouTube's blocking your comment. I don't know why it won't let me show it. Shout out Violi. Oh, there we go. It's showing it now. I don't know. What do you guys think about Adam Aaron? Do you think it matters, honestly? I don't know if it matters. We have one choice, and it's to hold and, of course, contest what we can contest. The Mobile One says, love your channel, Lotto. Yo, thank you, bro. I love all you guys. I appreciate the support. The channel wouldn't be anything, honestly, without you guys. Everyone who's popping in the live right now, channel wouldn't be anything without you guys. I've been hearing a lot of stuff about Al from Boston. Okay, just taking a step back, looking at everything, the way it's happening right now. AMC is still barcoding, right? Forget the price. It's still barcoding. We didn't squeeze yet. Al from Boston's contesting the conversion reverse split. Lou is still here. He's still saying God knows what on YouTube. He's just... I click a video here and there, the ones that get really popular, just to see, like, what is this guy saying? Why is this video blowing up? And it's always kind of the same stuff. Short seller, well, technically short, right? Short through puts, 11.8 million or somewhat, has contested the conversion reverse split. He's opposing the opposing the reverse split. Pablo AMC says, sup, brother? What's good, bro? How you doing, Pablo? The Hudsons said, a pawn is a pawn. If we get Adam Aaron out, he'll just get replaced by another pawn. I also agree with that. That's the thing. Like, it is what it is. Shareholders are a team here, but Adam Aaron, whether he's good or bad, we can't do anything. The reason we can't do anything is if we kick him out, we're going to get someone the same, if not worse. It is what it is. A couple things to note, though, however. It's kind of... There would be no way to prove if, like, legitimately, okay, a lot of people are like, listen, these YouTubers are paid off, the CEO's paid off, Adam Aaron's paid off, whatever. The only possible way that nothing would happen and we wouldn't have evidence is if Ken Griffin or whoever met with Adam Aaron in an alleyway and paid full cash to let this thing crush, okay? That would be the only way, and I highly doubt that happened. And even if it did, there would be a phone call or a text message or something, right? Something. Orlando Finney, what's good? Let me know if I pronounced that right. Let me see here. Adam Aaron is a joke. Mason Benner's in here. He says, you are right. It doesn't really matter. I guess what gets to me the most is to hear that people are actually sold on him, somehow being a hero or helping us. This is what I don't understand, right? I don't understand how... Because I got questioned before on YouTube, okay? Lottery Stocks, why do you flip-flop? I'm unsubscribing to your channel. The reason I fucking flip-flop is because I don't understand how people are one way. fully trusting and fully against. It's impossible. If you took the data and the facts that we have, it's impossible to be one way. I don't love the guy. I don't completely think we should kick him out, despise the guy, okay? The people who are, like, I get what you're saying, Mason. The people who are completely solid on him are like, Adamir and this, Adamir and that, and they don't question what the fuck happened with Project Popcorn, what the fuck happened with this, why did he dilute Ape this low when he could have done it here, why did he say Ape was going to be our share count, it went through computer share, there was 43 million fills to deliver, and nothing happened. There's so much stuff to question beyond that, right, that I don't know how people can be solid on him. But then there's the other way, as for, well, he could have done this worse, he could have done this worse, he could have done this worse. So, I don't know. I have no idea. You're the man, brother. Love that all you do. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. AK8890 says, did you make a video of when to get out of the play once it squeezes? Yeah, I have. So I have probably 2. I may have made a 3rd exit strategy video a long time ago. I haven't made one in a while. I have at least 2 exit strategy videos. I still think my most recent one is definitely up to date. I would definitely go watch that because it could happen. You know, it could happen at any day now. Who knows? Who knows when this thing's going to run? It could happen whenever. Flarby says, exactly, Mason. Who could trust Adam Aaron? Yep. Why is no media talking about the reverse repo being at 5 times all-time high? They all reported on it when it hit 1T. Well, the reason being is because it's so far gone. And they're all tied together. The media isn't going to, the media is not going to point out a flaw that shouldn't be pointed out. Because what's going to happen is then people will start questioning. Okay, well, CNBC is pointing out how high the reverse repo market is. People say, holy shit, that is high. Why is it so high? That's exactly why they don't want that. They don't want people questioning why it's high and what's actually happening. Yugon says, join the Discord, people. We making gains. Yo. If you guys are in here, 47 of you, I know there's a lot more than that in Discord, but if you're in here, you're missing out on all the behind the scenes. This plane is really gonna block me right now from promo the Discord. Damn. Anyway, Discord. Okay, I upload a video on the daily, and I go over what I can, and then the Discord is a completely different story. It's basically like a huge group chat. I'm in there, 500 just about of the most amazing people, members in there, talk stocks all day long, post gains, post losses. I drop my trades in there as soon as I take them, and there's a bunch of other benefits. That link's under the live. It should be under the live. That's either Al or AI Bowen says, I'm not Al from Boston, but I do think if we can get a run with GameStop on earnings June 7th, and any news from the courts should launch us up. Barcoding versus crashing like the rest of the market. Yep, that's exactly what we're talking about. There's so many catalysts lining up for June. I agree with you. I think GameStop is going to rip heads off. GameStop's looking solid. I expected a 6% retracement today. We got a 5% retracement. Still beautiful. If you've been keeping up with the videos, you know how amazing GameStop's chart looks right now with the cycle that it's tracking. And I was up like 90 something percent in my calls. Now I'm only up 50%, but I am still holding. I'm fairly confident in GameStop. I also hold my my AMC calls as well. Young Macho says, any other CEO would have the stock price higher than it is now. The whole board is corrupt. I can agree to an extent. I think GTII, GNS, both of their CEOs have attempted that, and the share price isn't higher. It's still getting manipulated. The problem is, the real problem is beyond Adam Aaron. It's the fucking market structure. It's the Securities and Exchange Commission. It's the fucking DTCC, NSCC, everything. Okay, it's everything. All the bigger players that are tied together. It's all corrupt. It's all fucked up and corrupt. CEO can lead the company, but you know, if there was a 100% way to squeeze, no matter what, no loopholes, nothing, then please drop it in chat, because I would love to think about that and question why Adam Aaron hasn't done so. Okay, if there is a straight trajectory where Adam Aaron could do this, snap of a finger, and this thing could fucking squeeze, and there's no loopholes, Citadel can't find a loophole, all the shorts can't find loopholes to continue to drop it, and they are forced out of it, I would love to hear that. I would love it. Pablo AMC says, agreed. I don't think it's one way. Reading the latest court case clarified a lot of Adam Aaron's intentions, but he's getting worked by city and lenders. Yeah. So right now, if he's the good guy, giving him the benefit of the doubt, what it looks like is that Citigroup and Terra, the other lenders, whatever, they're throwing him. It's almost like this, right? In a way, but not necessarily. You're in a really bad spot. You need a loan. Your friend's like, I'll give you this loan, but I'm going to wax the fuck out of you. This is what it seems like. Not in that exact way, but it seems like Antera and Citi are kind of just like, they're saving AMC, but they're abusing it in a way. They know Adam needs them. They know AMC needs them, but they're abusing it in a way. Like, I don't know. Antera, of course, they have to save their own ass, but I don't know. It just doesn't, some stuff doesn't seem right. I get what you're saying. It doesn't seem right, but looking at it that way, giving him the benefit of the doubt, that's how it seems. AK8890 says, sweet brother, thank you. I agree. I'm not a CEO nor a lawyer. Sorry, I was trying to see whose alarm went off. The way I see it, come June, we will see what happens. Yeah, I agree. Guess what? Doesn't squeeze June, I'm still holding. Al Bowen says, I've got 3,000 $5 calls expiring June 16th. Ooh, good luck. Good luck, Al. I hope those play out. Speaking of that, actually, I hope it really does play out for you, because AMC's options chain went bullish for the first time. I don't know if you've seen the video today, for the expiration of the 2nd, so next week, and the expiration of the 9th, June 9th. So that's solid. I mean, that's solid expiration, seeing how the rest of the option chain is playing out. Let's see. The Hudson says, but they all reported on it prior to it's going over 1 trillion. Once it was at 1 trillion above, they became silent. Yeah, I don't know, dude. If I knew the scoop, then I would tell you. I think it's, again, like, there's that control factor in everything. They've lost control. Stop covering it. We've lost control. It's as simple as that, right? You know, Adam Aaron was silent for 3 months after APE went $11 to fucking 60 cents, whatever. He lost control. Don't report on it. You know, it is what it is. Alpha Sherman says, hey, big guy, good to see you on live. Yo, what's good? Have you ever hopped in a live? I don't go live often, but hopefully getting a house soon. I know it's not the good time, whatever. It's not like that. I'm not going to get waxed, whatever. I will be live a lot more. So the people who are with the channel now, you guys got a head start as to where we're going to go on this journey. Yo, Amar, what's good, bro? How you doing? Michael Furberry, what's good, bro? How you doing? AMC says, why Adam Aaron did all of bad stuff for us? Because he only need our money in this moment. Hold on, that's a little confusing. Why Adam Aaron did all the bad stuff for us? Because he only needed our money in this moment. I'm so confused. Why did Adam Aaron do bad stuff for us? If I can understand what you're saying here, just drop another message. Michael Furberry says, do you think they're going to get time, or do you think they're going to get a slap on the wrist? As always, I think this is really big. For what? Yeah, Michael Furberry, because we just touched a bunch of topics, so let me know what you're talking about. If I think they're going to get time or a slap on the wrist for what? For AMC? What's happening with AMC when it all comes out? they're gonna get everything, right? They're fucked. Everyone short AMC is fucked. The problem is the SEC says salty dog. Yeah, definitely huge, huge. Always has been. Rhonda says right, it's the corruption. Yep. Michael Furberry, why would you sell at $66 instead of $6? Adam Aaron did that. Why would you sell at $66 instead of $6? What are you talking about? You're talking about dilute? Oh, 66 cents instead of $6. Okay. Okay. I get what you're saying. Exactly. Yeah, that was something we brought up as well. Adam Aaron can order a share recall, but he doesn't, says Young Macho. So I looked into this, and correct me if I'm wrong, but make sure that you have the facts, Young Macho. I looked into this a while back, if a CEO can actually trigger a share recall, and I don't believe they can. What they can do is trigger a recount. Okay, this is a different story. They can trigger a recount, like what happened back in June, and for your shares to be accounted for, do you have to recall them from the lender is a different story. Yeah, that would be a different story. I'm pretty sure they can't just recall them. However, I've had a theory. I just floated it out there. You guys let me know if this sounds insane, but if everyone turned on share lending for 1 week on their AMC shares and then turned it off simultaneously, those shares that were borrowed would instantaneously get recalled at the same time. I'm just floating it out there, okay? Just floating it. Michael Burry says sus AF. Yep. Alpha Sherman, best of luck. Thank you. I appreciate it. All good. Waiting for our run. Yeah, me too. Guaranteed retail paid for a gold mine. Vendetta 77 says with no split is $100 possible. If split, will it hit 1,000? Listen, I agree. Sorry, I was talking about the message before. Vendetta, the $100, that's cake. That's cake money. I'm not even joking with you. Like a lot of people that are like, yo, I'd be grateful if this thing hit $100. That's butter. Okay, $100 is getting chopped. Okay, when this squeezes, there's nothing more to say to that. I have some brackets posted. They're probably outdated, but what doesn't get outdated is that whatever we hold to is what the price is going to go to. That's it. Beyond that period. If the government gets a rusty pipe in the ass and we're still holding, they're gonna continue to get it. If we hold till, 10K, it is what it is. It's unlikely versus realistic. Like unlikely versus possible are two different scenarios. $100 is not only possible, it's likely. It's very likely, in my opinion. I could be wrong. Adam Aaron, Amar says it could easily go to criminal court. Adam Aaron is duped. Michael Furberry says corruption. Good. June shall be interesting, folks. Jack OO, what's good, bro? Yo, one to watch. How you doing? How you doing, dog? I wonder where Antoinette is at. She hasn't been here in a while, my mod. Let's see. Michael Furberry says, thanks for all you do for us. Info is key. Yes, I agree. Thank you. I appreciate the support. Seriously do. We need to start the 100K per share videos again, says Amar. Yeah, right, bro. Everyone will just crack on me. Oh, clickbait, clickbait, clickbait. It is what it is. It is what it is. To be fair, like honestly, to be fair, some of the videos I post, I have like slight clickbait on some of them, but dude, the video is full of information that I looked into, and I literally see these YouTubers. I hope you guys aren't the people that go and watch these YouTubers. I really hope so, but if you are, I apologize. Dude, some of the AMC YouTubers fucking suck, bro. They're horrible. Like, they will just talk and talk and talk about jack shit, bro, and the community watches them, bro. I swear. Not to crack on, I'm not calling any names out, but bro, it's insane. Let's see. Your 808 mate says, I agree. What we hold to is what the price will go to. I still think they need all their shares, so don't shortchange yourself with low brackets. Yeah, I agree. Not only that, but that was back then. What we hold to when we own the float, now chances are we own the float multiple times over, is what it is. Let the paper handers go. Let me see. La Lasla Grande 2. I don't know if I pronounced that right. People don't want to learn. When has Adam Aaron done something for the shareholders? When? Never. Do you guys agree with that? Do you guys agree with that statement? Now that I'm thinking about it, let's see. I'd say the only thing possibly was that share count back in June, right? Or late May 2021, early June. Probably that share count. Other than that, no, I don't think anything, actually. Really don't think so. You might be right on that, honestly. LOL, yeah, I actually missed them. Amar says, yeah, honestly, those were fun. Those were the fun days because it was like, at least me, I was being so dead ass, and it just felt great because we knew what was coming. All the retail that got into the play knew what was coming. Still do, most of us. Mar says, your videos are great. I appreciate it, Mar. I see your comments all the time. Triple Z says, so if Antera is selling Ape, should we be scooping it up to be contrary? Ape is tough, right? What is AMC at? Like $5? Ape is at like $1.60. There's a 50-50 that this conversion reverse split goes through the court, yada yada yada. So I guess you're risking. Yeah, I mean, I guess you're risking $1.60 a share in order to get $5 a share. Oh shit! Sorry, big ass bug on my arm. I guess you're risking. Yeah, I guess if you load it up on Ape now, and the reverse split doesn't go through, you're risking that $1.60 share. But of course, then you could just get out right when the news hits. Vice versa, I guess. I don't know. Ape's value is kind of. I don't want to be that guy, but Ape's value is kind of shit, right? I own Ape, but like the value of it would be if the conversion goes through, because then you're getting that 1-to-1 Ape for AMC. Yo, speedboat going by. I don't know if I can capture it. I can't zoom. I don't think I can zoom on the live, but I don't think buying Ape is a bad idea before this conversion comes out. Jack OO says, yes, you have been consistent. Good dude. Thank you. I appreciate it. Michael Furberry says, you don't need clickbait, dude. You're very truthful in what you say. I appreciate it as well. It's not that. It's just like sometimes YouTube really won't push the videos out, and it gets very bothering. Like, it gets very annoying. Because, like, one time it'll press the videos out, and then the next upload, it'll be like, nah, we're not going to share it too high. You know, even though your click-through rate is high, your view duration is high, so on and so forth, we're just not going to put it out there. It gets annoying. Young Macho Savage says, why doesn't Adam Aaron tweet about the record high fails to deliver? Dude, you have a lot of good questions, but from a logical standpoint, I'm not even going to say, oh, it's the legality, right? Because I hate when people say that. From a logical standpoint, if you are not brain dead as to what's been happening over the past 2 years as a CEO, you probably should do more than make a tweet about it, in my opinion. In my opinion, Adam Aaron, the stuff he does tweet about pisses me off because it's like a fair warning, right? He tweets about certain things and then they go away, per se. And I think he should just take legal action before he makes a fucking tweet on Twitter. But he doesn't do that either. Let's see. Michael Furberry says, after Ape came out, I saw that YouTubers just started going down on Adam. Maybe you know what I mean. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. I gotta reread what I just read before I know what you mean. After Ape came out, I saw that the YouTubers just started going down on Adam. Yo, hold on a minute, dog. YouTubers just started going on Adam. I think the reason for that is because a lot of stuff happened with Ape at the same time, and it was annoying because we didn't really get... Okay, so step number one, we didn't really get a say on if Ape was issued. Then Ape was issued. Number two, Adam stated, okay, this is going to act as a share account because it's going through computer share. And Ape was issued, and the share count was off because there was 43 million fills to deliver day one. Shareholders were right. What happened there? It wasn't talked about for at least 3 months. That was problem number two. Both of these issues, YouTubers are saying, bro, what are you doing, right? Ape was issued, we didn't even ask for it. Next, you said this was a share count, we didn't even get it, right? In fact, we did. We got it through fails to deliver, and it's fucking wrong. And then step three, $11 to 60 cents. Self-explanatory. I would be pissed as well. Listen, I made the video I made when Ape came out, and the people who listened saved a lot of money. It is what it is. Mason Benner says, no worries, man. I completely understand where you're coming from. I would not want to walk a mile in your shoes. The amount you see and hear every day must be crazy. Yeah. Yep. At least YouTube, right? Vacay says, when is court stuff date? Will that be the end? Or can they extend that again? So, I just saw something that they're trying to extend it. But it should be late June. June 29th and June 30th, it's supposed to get resolved. Whether that goes through right away or it takes under 60 days is something that we're going to have to find out late June. But that's the date right now that we're looking forward to. AK8890 says, I don't agree with him saying there are no synthetics, that's for sure. Yeah, that's annoying. Hold on. I don't agree with him saying there are no synthetics, that's for sure. Yeah, I don't agree as well. He says he sees no evidence of fake synthetics. That's what he stated. And he's an idiot. Because he's an idiot because we showed him. Let's see. I don't agree with him saying, let's see. Dan Thomas says, didn't he turn down $1 billion to go bankrupt? Yeah, but the only reason you got to really look into this stuff because you get false information. Dan, the only reason that happened is because shareholders were able to raise $1 billion to make that go away. Vendetta says, regardless of when it happens and for whatever catalyst, can't they just halt it over and over like the past 2 years and stop the run/squeeze? So when they stopped, okay, it's going to be a different story, right? The halts that we're having now, shorts aren't covering. They're not getting out of their positions. What happened back in January, what happened back in June, shorts are still in the play. Buy button was taken away. The halts happened. Shorts are still in the play. If it comes down to shorts have to cover, for whatever reason, shorts need to buy back the shares in the open market. If there's 100 potatoes and not one person is selling a potato for $100 and you need that potato, the price is going over $100. So on and so forth. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. They can try and halt it, but if they're gonna knock, they can't knock it down if they have to cover, is what I'm trying to say. If there is some sort of catalyst, which we talked about in the beginning of this live stream, someone could drop it, that specifically shorts need to cover, period, no loopholes, nothing, then it'd be a different story. But other than that, yeah. If it's just like a gamma, FOMO, whatever run, then yeah. Dan Larson says, thoughts on Icon causing the squeeze with the huge loss. The $9 billion loss, is that what you're talking about, Carl Icahn? I think, how many days ago was that? How many days ago? Was that 2 days ago? I don't know. A lot of times when people get margin called, they have 3 days. They have kind of this period where, yo, you didn't see this coming, you got 3 days, right? To either make more money or get smoked. I don't know how long ago that was, but I'm not going to use that as a catalyst for the squeeze. That's my thoughts. I think, damn, but, The short sellers that are in there, the big players that are in there, in no way, shape, or form are going to say, oh, shit, Carl Icahn went under. We're going to let him cause the dominoes to drop us. I just don't see that happening. Robert Thompson says, Diamond hands AMC and Ape and GME. Yup, that's how it is. One to Watch says he dumped on our heads. Yep. Adam did dump on our heads. Donkey Kong, the conversation and the reverse split is going to happen. No doubt. The conversion, that's what you meant to say. The conversion and the reverse split is going to happen, no doubt. The judge is just ruling on the settlement. Okay. Well, not necessarily, right? As of right now, that's the more likely scenario, but not guaranteed. Otherwise, it would have happened already. Let's see. Would you sell a percentage of your existing AMC stock to buy calls on AMC? No. Nope. Never have, never will. Jim. That's the one thing I wouldn't do. I would not sell. Since I've got in, I haven't let go of one AMC share, and I don't plan on it. JD says, with a court-supervised share recall, can the hedgies weasel out of covering the synthetics FTDs? That's a good question. You know what? I don't know if can a court force a share recall? I don't think a CEO can. Can a court force a share recall? Recount or recall? That'd be interesting. Will they get out of covering the synthetics is a good question. Yeah, that's true. Because that would bring in all shares on loan to nothing. Drop the short interest. At least you'd think, right? I honestly don't know. That's a tough question. Get out of the synthetics. I'm gonna look into that one. That's a good question. Got stumped right there. Will they weasel out of covering synthetics fails to delivers? I don't know. Grand 2 says, furthermore, why does Adam Aaron does not do the same thing that Bed Bath & Beyond did and force everyone to report shares? Why not? It's been 2 years and all he does is give stupid excuses to do nothing. Well, listen, I'm not vouching for Adam here, but whatever Bed Bath & Beyond did, it didn't work. They got delisted and pushed to OTC. JD says, with a court supervised share. Okay, yeah, you just asked that. Mason Benner says, quick food for thought. Adam Aaron hasn't been hired by giant companies over the last 40 years because he doesn't have experience and doesn't know what he's doing. I kind of disagree because he has a very good track record, to be fair, at least for fundamental side of things. Mike Mishler, 43 million fields to delivers, and no one in UK got their shares as well on top of that. Wait, you guys still did not get your... Wait. You guys still didn't get your shares in the UK? Your 808 mate says, what am I hearing about postcards and writing to a judge to let her know I don't want a settlement and I don't want a reverse split? Is this legit? What ape should be doing this week? So you're supposed to get a postcard. It's kind of late now if you're a legitimate shareholder. But you should, everything that's going to be on the postcard anyway is on any of the websites or the 8K filings, and you can kind of just see it. You can write the judge all you want. It's highly unlikely that the judge is going to see it unless it's a validated objection, I think, with proof of ownership of your shares. That's to my knowledge right there. I don't know anything beyond. Mr. Johnny London. Adam Aaron is reading a closely guarded script. He's been told exactly what to say, and he's sticking to the same old BS party line. Gets flustered when you go off topic. Yeah, I've kind of noticed that, honestly. I don't like it. Right? It's like some things are like too corny. What he says, to the apes on Twitter. I kind of agree with you, Mr. Johnny. Please give this man likes. Yeah, if you guys are in here, please drop a like. We should have at least 75 likes on this video. We should write a letter and ask AMC shares recall and investigation of naked short selling as soon as possible. We might need a lawyer to protect AMC shareholders. There's a lot of stuff already happening with the court, but I highly recommend if you guys do want to take action, take action. I can try to get all the links together for you guys and where to send them to. We peaking May 31st, 7 days post OPEX. Peaking May 31st, I don't think so. Damn. What, for the overall chart, higher than 70 for AMC? Is that what you're saying? I don't think so. At least not that early. Brendan says, I can't believe Adam Aaron sold Ape for only 60 cents to Antera. If he was really trying to raise money, he wouldn't have done that so cheap. It's so obvious. They wanted to buy the yes vote. To me, that's crazy. Yeah, that's true, actually, right? Antera didn't really want to help out the company. So, he let it drop to 60 cents in order for the company to get a reverse split conversion back to AMC, raise cash, and just dilute. That's true. That's a well thought out plan, right? Let it drop. Antera doesn't really want to associate, but they'll buy the yes vote since that's 60 cents. And then what happens? Adam Aaron has these new details written up, these new rules written up where he can, issue up to $5 billion, yada, 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 and we don't really need shareholder approval for dilution. Mason Benner says, I can guarantee right now that he knew during COVID exactly what the hedge funds were doing. They've been heavily shorting companies with financial issues into bankruptcy. Adam Aaron knew what was going on. Yeah, I hope not. I really hope not. We definitely saved them at $1.91 though, that's for sure. Las La Grande 2 says, lottery stocks, the merge forces the share recall. When the shares are recalled, they can do whatever they want, then reverse split and it's over. Wait, what are you talking about? The merge forces the share recall. Are you talking about the conversion? When the shares are recalled, they can do whatever they want, then reverse split and it's over. The conversion and reverse split are simultaneous. Grande, those are simultaneous when they get accepted. They're a bundle deal. If they get accepted, they get accepted together. Mike Michler says $9 billion loss was over a span of 5 to 7 years. Icon was called on like $3 billion 2 weeks ago. Young Macho Savage says the reverse split and massive dilution kills the play. Adam Aaron give the shorts a way out. People's average will be high and price low. Look at the recent reverse split. Yeah, I've looked at the recent reverse splits. If the conversion counts as a merge and we get a new QSIP, then it could be a different story. If not, and it's just, a merge, reverse split, no change in QSIP, then it could be a problem. Massive dilution, Adam Aaron trying to let shorts out is interesting. He stated, listen, we diluted here, The stock ran both times, but of course, shorts were probably trying to get out, right? If you've seen any significant drops in short interest during that time period of dilution, then shorts were clearly exiting. At least some of them were trying to fish out some shares. And some of them were saying, I'm not paying $70. Fuck that. I'll stay in the play. I'll, find loopholes, whatever, continue shorting. He could be doing that, right? He could be giving them a way out. But even so, there's somewhat evidence we own 15 times the float. So even a 10-to-1 reverse split I still don't think shorts can get out, dilution or not. 10-1 reverse split. He would have to dilute it heavily after that. C Mellon says these grease balls are finding ways to not cover at the end. We'll all get screwed. No, at the end there's gonna be riots, if anything. That's what I think. What I miss over debt ceiling talks was away all day. Did they have the meeting yesterday at 5 p.m.? Papa Swole 17. They did not. From what I know, they did not come to a conclusion. They did not come to a deal on the debt ceiling right now. Or they did not come to a deal on the debt limit. What's happening is the money is being exhausted probably by early June. The negotiations team came in today. Basically a whole pot of nothing. That's what happened today. Jack shit. It was a weak update today. But overall, the video I posted kind of just wanted to show where the sentiment was going, why I'm still holding my call options, so on and so forth. But, yeah, nothing really happened with the debt ceiling today. AK says, I kind of knew this whole thing was fishy the minute I got the letter to vote and half my shares were missing. Right. That's crazy. Mason says, damn, bro. Anyway, Ape had nothing to do with the shorts being slammed. Ape was to update co-terms, including their ability to sell 400 million shares of Ape, etc. Anyway, great job. Thanks for all you do. Must run. All right, see you, Mason. Salty Dog says, I'm sending letter this week. Received postcards today. Your 808 mate says, by the way, don't worry about your background noise. Your voice coming through great. All right, that's good. Especially because I don't have my mic right now. Let's see. Bet you won't forget my name. Love yours. Keep it up. Thank you. I appreciate it. Michael Furberry, I won't. Mr. Johnny London, cheers, brother. Adam Aaron paid for a yes vote. I can't see it any other way. Yup. Mullen hired the same company that helped Overstock squeeze after fighting shorts legally. Ooh. Rhonda says, riots, LOL. Oh, also, Papa Swole, it's a very different time. I think if it was that easy. Oh, and also, I was looking in the background because people were next to my street bike as well, so I was just kind of looking at it. I lost my train of thought. Overstock squeeze, kind of different story now. Whatever happened with the Volkswagen Overstock squeeze, they have loopholes to prevent that same exact scenario from playing out. But that doesn't mean it can't happen. It just has to happen a different way. Grande 2 says, to convert and reverse split, few things happen. First, shares are recalled so that you can merge them or reverse split. To convert and reverse split, few things happen. First, shares are recalled so that you can merge them or reverse split. So when they get them, think about it. They have them. Can now do anything with them. Lenders get the shares back. That doesn't mean shorts have shares to cover on. Grande. I think you have that. Unless I'm mixed up by what I'm reading. I think you have that mixed up. What will stock shortest to stop if judge don't approve? What will stock shortest to stop if judge don't approve reverse stock? I'm not really sure what you're asking. Mahachi, if I pronounced that right, let me know. AK says, if they screw over all of us retail investors, just boycott the theater chain and don't go to AMC anymore. If they screw us over, AMC is going bankrupt. Definitely. Mr. Johnny London says, let me be perfectly clear. Adam Aaron is working against you. Ken Griffin. AMC, let me see. Christopher, AMC is dead, bro. You need to move on. It's been dead. Okay. See you, bro. I disagree. And it's probably the wrong chat for you to drop that in. I'm not going to lie. If I were to give up on AMC, then I would give up on the market. Because AMC is dead because of how fucked up the market is. Otherwise, it wouldn't have been that way. Lasa Grande is right. When they get the shares, they cover behind the scenes and not pay up. They erase synthetics behind closed doors. We have pressure on them now. The reverse split will cancel pressure. I get what you guys are saying, but are you saying just for the synthetic shears? Because even if that were the case, and even if that literally played out, they still can't get out of short positions. Literally. Like, even if that played out and short interest stayed around what's reported, 25%, and no one was selling shares up to 100, the price is going to bid past that, even if that's correct. Because you see stock reverse splits happen, and if their short interest is still the same, it's still the same. However, that would suck. I agree with you if that is the case. I don't know what else to say. Short sellers are opposing it now, which is odd, right? It just seems odd. We're in a position where I'm holding and I'm waiting for it to squeeze. Providing data, providing facts. If it doesn't squeeze and there's a 100% factual evidence that Adam Aaron fucked us over and it's over and short sellers win and short interest dissipates, then there's probably going to be riots and I will join them. Michael Fairbury says, real question, how did you come up with your name on YouTube? You know what? How did I come up with my name on YouTube? I bet you expected me to have some sort of like sentimental story behind this, but I literally sat there for a few days and I was thinking, I was really trying to think, what would my name be on YouTube? What would my name be on YouTube? And there was a few I came up with that were real corny, and then I was like, stocks, a lot of people say stocks are gambling, and then I was trying to figure out, I was like, like casino stock, lottery, whatever. I was just thinking, and then I got lottery stocks, and then I was like, floated it, to my family, and they were like, yo, that sounds flowy, that sounds good, yada, yada, yada. Floated it to my friends, sounds good. I'm like, I'm liking it, it is what it is, and I just kept that and stuck with it since day one. I don't know, I like it. That was really it. There's no sentimental thing behind it. High Energy Reviews Investment says the AMC squeeze will be epic. Yes, it will be. I'm with TD Canada. Whenever there is a conversion or split like GameStop, it takes them 2 days before my stocks are actually converted into my account. Will I miss the squeeze? Let's see. TD Canada, whenever there is a conversion or split, I don't think you will. No. Alfredo, I don't think you will. The squeeze is gonna last longer than that, in my opinion. You're not gonna miss anything. Look at BBIG. All right, I will right after this, because if I close out this, then go to it, it's gonna freeze the stream. No reverse split. Brad says, let's fucking go AMC. G Romanian says, I'm down for the riots. So yeah, I'm sure you guys are all ready, bro. I'm sure you guys are all ready. Get your shields and shit. I'm optimistic that the court case will expose and federally document the fuckery. Yeah, I hope so. This court case is probably the most legitimate thing that we have going for us right now. And it's obviously the main catalyst everyone's paying attention to. Brad says we're on the winning side. AMC ain't going anywhere. Movie stars aren't made from streaming. Right, dead ass. Let's see. If AMC reverse split doesn't happen, will the shorts keep shorting? Chances are, yeah, probably. One more thing. See, that's the question. If AMC reverse split doesn't happen, will shorts keep shorting? Yeah, probably. The loopholes will keep happening. But there has always been a saying that the apes have come up with. And if you don't trust Adam Aaron, you stick with that saying. It's moon or zero. If the reverse split doesn't go through and you think they keep shorting, you might ask, well, why would you want that to happen if they're just going to keep shorting? Well, it's because moon or zero, some apes think moon or zero is the way to go, and Adam Aaron can do other things than a reverse split that can cause the squeeze. Michael Fairbury says, one more thing, numbers don't lie and karma is real. Yup. BBIG just did a 20-to-1 reverse split, did they? I'm going to look at that after the stream. But we've been streaming for almost an hour, guys. I'm probably going to take the bike back, go ride around until it's finished dark, probably close out the stream. Got the GoPro set, got the jacket, got the bag, got the water, clean the bugs off my visor, and I am good to go. overall, guys, thank you for popping in the stream. If you guys didn't see the update video earlier, make sure to go watch that. See ya, Alfredo. See ya, AK. Yeah, live show can't edit out your yawns. Yeah. See ya, 808. Energy. See ya, bro. Yo, what do you ride, Energy? I'll see you guys. I appreciate you guys for popping in. If any of you in chat right now are not in the Discord, get in the Discord, bro. It's under the video. Seriously, if you're in there, get in the Discord. See you guys. See you, JD. Look at Mullen was after reverse play. They all crash. James doesn't. Yeah, I'll look into it. Salty Dog. I'll see you, bro. Yeah. Anyone tell you look like Adam Warlock from the new Guardians movie? I haven't seen that, but I hope it's a compliment. I'm gonna look it up after this. Let's see the bike. You really want to see the bike? All right, hold on. I'll end the stream in 1 minute. Grab all my stuff and run over there. I'm gonna end the stream after I show who asked for the bike. DR Sandwash. That's your glimpse. If you want to see more, join the members only. I posted some of the rides that we've done on members only. All right, guys, I'll see you. Enjoy the rest of your day.